Welcome to Miss Mary English.
Wait, stop scrolling. Do you want to speak English, but every day you don't practice? You say, I will start tomorrow. And then tomorrow comes and you say it again.
I know, I understand, because I did the same thing.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Mary English. I'm Mary, and today is special. We are going to talk about one thing, just 30 minutes a day. That is all you need. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
I love the energy, Jack. Okay, so Jack, tell me something. How long have you wanted to speak English?
A long time. Maybe 3 years?
3 years!
Yeah, 3 years. And I still can't speak properly.
Wait, you're speaking right now.
Oh, I am? I didn't think about that.
See? That's the thing. You are doing it. You are already speaking. You just don't see it yet.
Maybe you're right.
So tell me, what do you do to learn English? Right now, daily.
I watch some videos. Sometimes I open an app, but then I close it.
Which app?
I don't want to say the name.
Okay, that's fine. We all do that. Open, close, forget, open again after 1 week.
Yes, that is exactly me.
So here is the problem. Most people want to learn English, but they don't have a plan. They just try random things, a little here, a little there, and then nothing happens.
Yes, that is me. I feel like I'm going in circles.
Exactly, circles. You study for 1 day, then you stop for 5 days, then you feel bad, then you start again, then stop again.
Yes, and then I feel stupid. Like, why can't I just do it?
Oh, Jack, no. You are not stupid.
Sometimes it feels that way.
I know it does, but the problem is not you. The problem is the plan. Or actually, no plan at all.
That makes sense.
When you have a real plan, even 30 minutes a day, everything changes. And I mean everything.
Really? Just 30 minutes?
Just 30 minutes. That is less than one episode of your favorite drama.
Okay, that got me.
Can I tell you a short story?
Yes, please.
So, I had a student. Her name was Zara. She was 24 years old. She wanted to get a job, a good job, an office job. But every interview, they spoke English. And she froze.
Oh, that is hard.
She came to me very sad. She said, Miss Mary, what do I do? I study, but nothing works. She was tired, really tired. I said to her, Zara, do one thing. Just 30 minutes. Every day. Same time. Every day. For 21 days. Don't stop.
And did she do it?
She did. The first week, very hard. She wanted to quit. She called me on day 5. She said, I can't do this. And I said, do it anyway.
Harsh, Mary, harsh.
A little bit, yes. But you know what happened? On day 21, she called me again. And this time, she spoke to me only in English. The whole call.
Wait, really?
The whole call. Not perfect English, but real, flowing, natural. And 2 weeks later, she got the job.
Wow, that is beautiful.
It is. And she did it with just 30 minutes a day. A real plan, real steps. That is all it takes. Okay, Are you ready to learn the plan?
So ready. Tell me everything.
Okay, so 30 minutes. We split it into small parts, easy parts. First 5 minutes, just listen. Listen to English. A short video, a podcast clip, a song. Don't stop it. Don't translate. Just listen.
But what if I don't understand?
That is fine. You are not trying to understand everything. You are training your ear. Like warm up for your brain.
Oh, like a warm-up at the gym.
Exactly. I love that. Your brain is a muscle. Warm it up first.
Next 5 minutes. Take one short sentence and repeat it out loud. Don't read it silently. Use your mouth. Use your voice.
Like, what sentence?
Simple ones, like this. I am learning English. Can you say that?
I am learning English.
Good.
Now say it again. Faster.
I am learning English.
One more time, with feeling.
I am learning English.
Yes, that is it. Now, everyone watching, pause right now. Say this line out loud. I am learning English. Say it. Don't be shy. Nobody is watching you. Well, I mean, I am, but it's okay.
That's funny.
Next 10 minutes, learn only 3 new words. Not 30, not 10, just 3.
Wait, only 3?
Only 3! But you must use them. Use each word in one sentence. Out loud, right away.
Can you show me?
Sure. Today's 3 words. First word, busy. I am busy today. Your turn.
I am busy today.
Perfect. Second word, tired. I feel tired right now.
I feel tired right now. That's true, by the way.
Third word, try. I will try my best.
I will try my best.
See? 3 words, 3 sentences, done in 10 minutes. You actually remember them now because you said them, you felt them. Okay, next 5 minutes. This one is my favorite. Talk to yourself in English.
People will think I'm crazy.
Let them! Crazy people speak English fluently. Seriously, though, you can do it quietly, in your room, in the bathroom. Walk around and talk. Say what you did today. Today, I woke up, I drank tea, I watched a video, I practiced English. Simple, short, real.
I can do that?
You can. You already are. Last 5 minutes, write. Just a little. 3 sentences. That's all. What did you do today? Write it in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just write.
Even on my phone? In notes?
Phone, paper, notebook, anywhere. Just write it. Your brain remembers when you write. It's like saving a file.
Oh, like saving a file. That makes sense.
Okay, friends. Now, I want you to do something. Pause this video right now. Write in the comments. What time will you do your 30 minutes today? Morning? Evening? Night? Tell us. We want to know.
And also tell us, which part are you going to try first? Listening, repeating, writing?
Yes! Comment below. We read every single one. Every single one.
Of course. What is the weirdest sentence you ever taught someone?
Oh, wow. Okay. One student, lovely man, he practiced the sentence, the cat is on the mat, for 2 weeks straight. Every day, every session, the cat is on the mat.
2 weeks?
2 weeks. And then one day, he came in very happy. He said, "Miss Mary, I spoke English today." I said, What did you say? He said, the cat is on the mat.
Oh my God.
And you know what? I was so proud because he said it. He actually said it to a real person. That was his first step.
That is actually really sweet.
It is. Every step counts. Even the cat on the mat.
You know what, Mary? I feel different right now.
Different how?
Like, it feels possible. Before, I thought, I can't do this. But now, 30 minutes, small steps. I think I can do that.
You can. I promise. And here is the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start small. Stay consistent. That is the whole secret. Write that down, everyone. That is your golden rule. Okay, let's do a fast recap. Your 30-minute daily plan.
Minutes 1 to 5, listen to English.
Minutes 6 to 10, repeat out loud.
Minutes 11 to 20, learn 3 new words.
Minutes 21 to 25, talk to yourself.
Minutes 26 to 30, write 3 sentences.
That's it. Simple, easy, real. Do it every day. Same time, every day for 21 days. And then tell us what happens. Friends, thank you for being here. I mean that. You chose to spend 30 minutes learning today. That is something to be proud of. Don't forget that.
You are not alone in this. We are all learning together. Even me, even Mary.
Even me. I learn something new every single day. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't. We post new videos every week. And share this with one friend who also wants to learn English. Maybe it will change their life too.
Comment, I will start today if you are beginning your 30-minute routine right now. Let's go together.
I believe in you. I really do. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.